everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm here with 3 easy science experiments you can do at home. You all are bored sitting at home, right? Well, these 3 science experiments are really fun to do. You will spend hours in doing them. Let's begin with the first experiment. For this experiment, you will require a tray, baking soda, vinegar and food color. You can use the colors available at your house. I have only 3 colors available at mine. First step is to pour baking soda into the tray. I'm using an ink filler to get the food colors. Now I'm putting orange. Now I'm putting green. And now I'm putting red. Now I'm gonna sprinkle some vinegar. Let's see what happens. Look how pretty it looks. Do this experiment only under adult supervision. Although we know all these items are edible, the chemical reaction is hazardous. Hope you all like this experiment. Let's move on to the second one. For this experiment, you will require water, oil and food color. Let's begin. Now with the filter, I'm just gonna take a few drops and put it in the oil. And now with the plastic spoon, I'm mixing it. And let's add it in the water. Now soon we will have droplets coming. Let's wait and see. Now you can see a few droplets have started coming. Isn't this wonderful? Do try it. It is very simple. Can you see the small particles coming down? Looks so pretty. Can you see the small droplets falling down? For the next experiment, you will require water, sugar, a straw or a blower, a spoon, hand wash and dish soap. Let's get started. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of sugar into the water. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. One tablespoon, a second tablespoon. Now mix it until the sugar has dissolved. Now the sugar has completely dissolved. Now take some hand wash liquid and rub it on your surface. Now it is too thick, so you have to add some water. If it isn't thick, do not add it. Now I've added a bit of water. And now add the little soap onto your straw or blower. Add it here fully and now dip it into the solution. Now let's start to blow. This is the most fun part. Wow! You can make anything out of this. You can make a flower, you can make a bear, you can make circle inside a circle. This is really fun to play. Now I've made a bear. If you look from the top, you can see it has 2 ears and a face. I'm gonna try to make bubble in a bubble. Wow! I'm gonna make more. Wow, look at these bubbles. This is my favorite experiment. I spent hours doing this. I hope you all enjoyed this. It's so much fun. I hope you all like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay home, stay safe. Much love, Tanu. Bye.